Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise number 83. Dear Sirs, I believe that the addressing machine shown on page 22 of your monthly bulletin would be suitable for my use, and if it is satisfactory, I am purchase one full stop. I should be glad if you would have one of your salesmen call at my office to tell me more about the machine full stop. Please ask him to phone before he comes, so that I may be ready for him, full stop. Yours truly, there is a train which leaves Euston for Liverpool at 7 o'clock, and also a train which leaves at 9 o'clock, full stop. You can buy a return ticket for 10s, full stop. Vast changes have taken place in business and industry in the last 10 years, full stop. I believe that, generally, these changes have been for the better, full stop. There is no doubt that wages are higher, and that, in general, people work fewer hours than formerly, full stop. However, it is certainly true that workers have to specialize in one line more than ever before, full stop. I have again over the records, and I know that although the business we have done with some firms has been smaller than we hoped, the total sales have been better than we expect, full stop. Exercise number 84. Dear Mr. Payne, I have known Mr. John Lane for 13 years, and I am of the opinion that he will make a very desirable member of your club, full stop. He began work with us as a stenographer, and his reason by successive steps to the post of general manager, full stop. He has a fine personality, and we feel that it is an honor to have him as a member of our firm, full stop. Very truly yours, we, from January until the summer, we have decided to keep our store open on Thursday nights until 9 o'clock, full stop. It will be open every Thursday night until June, and from then on we shall close at 5:30 p.m. as usual, full stop. Within the past few years, the volume of business in the southern districts has been much larger, full stop. In some industries, business has been better than in similar industries in the northern and eastern districts, full stop. Such industries as cotton, textiles have shown a marked increase in the past 10 years, full stop. In my opinion, in the next 10 years, there will be increases larger than those that have been already noted, full stop, because of the lack of rain in some of the western districts of Canada, dust storms have often occurred, full stop. These storms have done much damage to farms and crops, full stop. Some of the districts in the western corn belt have been fact, affected, full stop. Large numbers of farms have been covered in dust, and it has not been possible to grow anything, full stop. In many cases, houses have been entirely buried beneath a load of dust, full stop.